Petrol check 56.85, premium 58.35. Magtataas na naman yata sa Martes ng gasolina.
We focus more on the quality of the work that we do. We can guarantee definitely na yung quality of work and more importantly, yung after sales namin dito is one of the top tier.
Tara, game! Saturday afternoon, punta tayong Taguig. So this is another episode ng Vespa Shop feature natin. So Taguig, so alam niyo na siguro kung saan tayo pupunta. Pupunta tayo sa Scoot Daily Manila. So nung distribution kasi ng Vespa Takas X Prosper na meet natin si Brother Jay Gunay, napakilala siya sa atin ni Mighty Ipis. And then nga, nabanggit ko na baka pwedeng i-feature natin yung Scoot Daily Manila. And yes, fortunately, napayagan naman tayo. Kaya today natin gagawin yun. So dito rin sa Scoot Daily, kung makikita nyo yung Facebook nila and Instagram, panalo rin yung mga builds na gawa nila. And later, hopefully, meron tayong ma-feature din na isa sa mga build nila. Or mas maganda kung marami, diba? So later, tingnan natin kung ano ba yung mga services offered dito sa Scoot Daily Manila or SDM. Sabi ni Waze, kumanan sa Pedro Cayetano Boulevard. Sayang, di tayo masamahan ni Pat V. So lift and ride, nilakad daw siya ngayon. Tapos bukas naman, Linggo, March 30, may ride naman ng Vespa Takas and Eastside Vespa. Hindi lang tayo makakasama at may pasok. Alright, dito na tayo sa Scoot Daily MNL.
Hello everyone, this is Jay Gunay, founder of Scoot Daily Manila. Actually, nag-iisip ako nung time na yun, ano yung pwede kong i-name sa shop, no? Nung time na yun kasi when I came up with the idea, pandemic time pa, so halos lahat ng tao nasa online. And so I thought, sige, ano na lang, parang total majority of the time nakakalusot naman sa mga checkpoint, mga naka-scooter. So sige, scoot tayo araw-araw. So I think that's where it came from, Scoot Daily Manila. Originally, when I started online, mga October yon 2020. And then when I gained some following, tapos medyo nakilala tayo sa community, officially, we set up itong shop March 24, 2021 na. So, I came up with the idea with a couple of my previous customers. Tas technically, naging partners ko din sila dito sa Scoot Daily Manila. So, shout out to Pocholo Moto, Jim, Dominic Ornachos or Slick and Beard, tapos si JJ. Ayan. So, 5 kami dito. We offer a lot of services. Merong PMS, meron din kaming modifications, more on aesthetic, ganyan. If you notice yung mga motor namin, they don't really look the same May kanya-kanyang concept. Parang if you look at it from an outsider's point of view, ano sila eh, parang isipin nyo, pare-parehas ng forma, ganyan. But we're all different because iba-iba naman yung mga nakalagay sa motor namin. Siguro it mirrors ko ano yung personality nung nagda-drive ng motor. Gusto lang namin maiba, I guess, with how our Vespas look. Even yung mag wheels namin, we don't normally cater or we don't normally come up with ideas na same body color. Sometimes we try to like be risky dun sa part na whether babagay ba sa motor or not. But malaking pasalamat namin sa nagko-conceptualize to more on yung mechanic namin dito, si Marcos at si AJ, na they tell yung customers, even us, kung babagay ba or hindi. Sometimes kasi pag owner ka, parang gusto mo lang ikabit eh. But sila yung nagsasabi na whether it looks good or hindi. So, doon pa lang you'd come up with ano. Kaya ako, I'm confident na yung pag may bagong customer na mag-i-inquire about it, hinahayaan ko na sila na sumagot kung what's gonna look good for the Vespas or not. So, yun, I'm very confident na sa ano. We also have electrical wiring na nagka-problema kayo, we fix that. Customization, sometimes we tend to cut and be risky nga, no? Like I said earlier. Be risky dun sa part na hindi pa natatry pero willing to try it out. Like maybe cutting some of the things na normally nakikita mo sa Vespas, but na, I mean, okay kami na to look different. Other brands that we cater to, maybe we have Marus, we have that, we have 101 Factories. We also have HD Cores, Tune Headlights, CVTs, Care of Malossi and Polini, and some Taiwanese brands too that I don't know if you guys prefer that. We also cater to them. Oh, yung mga tires namin, Pirelli, Jablo, that's one of the most trusted brands that we use. Lalo na safety related yan. PIAA horn. We also cater to installing that and a lot more. Like I said, ito yung just a few Vespas that we have. This one is the thing that I own. This is from one of his bikes to ni JJ, itong Mickey Mouse. The other ones, yun sa mga ibang partners ko, they're not here, pero they also have their Vespas pimped up. So, yun nga, if you happen to see us on the road, give us a honk. We'll definitely honk back. Gusto nyo lang din, may car wash din dito. Gusto nyo magpa-car wash, gusto nyo tumambay dito, that's totally fine. Itong ground ng Scoot Daily is more of a neutral ground. Hindi kami malaking group. We're not even a group, but we're just really people who likes to hang out and nagustuhan mo yung culture dito, nagustuhan mo yung pagsasama namin dito, you're free to tag along anytime. Basta meron kang free time. Wala naman siyang mandatory na you have to be this and that. No? So again, I welcome all the clubs or anyone who may be affiliated with anyone. Scoot Daily Manila is a neutral ground for you to have your Vespas souped up. So, yun. Actually, Scoot Daily, we're not the most I don't know, popular, or maybe we're not pagka bago, nakapunta ka sa ibang shop and then you compare Scoot Daily. Hindi kami most aesthetic, I guess. But we can guarantee definitely na yung quality of work and more importantly, yung after sales namin dito is one of the top tier pagdating din sa bagay na yun. Like, we can always sell. I think that's what separates Scoot Daily from the rest. If there's anything, no offense sa mga friends natin na who owns Vespa shops din. We're all friends naman. But what I'm saying is if I get asked about ano yung ino-offer namin dito na probably hindi ko sinasabing hindi ma-offer. One of the things that's unique with us is our after sales. I always make it a point na hindi nahahaba yung usapan. Like if I can do something about it at ayusin na yung problema, then ayusin na lang natin rather than wasting our time arguing and maybe going to social media kasi parang very toxic yung ganung approach. So, yun yung magagaranti namin, the after sales and even friendship. If you guys are looking to, again, be tagged along one of these days, feel free to come over and head over to Scoot Daily Manila. Yeah, so we're inviting you to come over again. No, we're here. We're located specifically in Bagong Kalsada in Barangay Ususan, Taguig. We're about 500 meters away from Vista Mall. You can also waze us by pinning Scoot Daily Manila. Tapos, we have social media accounts. Our Instagram account is scootdaily_Manila, MNL. And then we have Facebook account, Scoot Daily Manila. And then the page as well, Scoot Daily Manila. You can search it up. We're one of the few ones who started the shop maybe 4 years ago. So, you'll see a lot of photos of maybe your old Vespas na setup namin dito. But essentially, ngayon kasi, we're looking to get more in terms of souping up your Vespas, dressing them up. So, yun. Our store hours actually is from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. supposedly, pero dahil minsan may mga natambay pa, we can extend. We're open Monday till Sundays, except Tuesday. That's a regular rest day. Pero yung mga holiday events, we announce it normally sa social media accounts namin. So come over, get your inquiries ready para matulungan namin kayo to get your Vespa spin. I also want to invite you to come over. Malapit dito sa shop, as in few steps lang. Meron kainan, Respa, Casey Log. So, unique yung ino-offer nilang food doon. May mga sizzling na sinigang and all, yung mga ganon, sizzling sinigang, pares, ganyan. Hindi kayo mapapaya, masarap yung food doon. Tapos affordable pa. Tapos malaki din yung parking space nila. Inside yung parang compound ng kainan na yon, just again, malapit lang sa shop. Meron din na na yung mga tusok-tusok like fish balls, lobster balls, ganyan. We have Got Balls Manila. May milk tea rin, katabi ng Got Balls Manila. Technically, parang pag kumain kayo, everything's there. May dessert na rin kayo. Head on over here para makita nyo yung entire offerings that we have. Okay, I also like to thank and for the support si Scoot Shots. Actually, siya yung namin, that's my brother, si Scoot Shots, si Alphonse Gunay. You can follow him. Maybe you can take time to invite him minsan kung gusto niyo yung mga ganong video or content na pinopost niya sa page niya, sa Instagram niya. Si Marcos din na mechanic namin dito, I think nag-explore din siya dun sa ibang endeavors niya outside of Scoot Daily Manila. Medyo busy yung tao dito outside of the shop. Vespa Hook, most of our balaklavas and actually childhood friend ko, kumpare ko yan, si Vespa Hook, si Kevin. So shout out Vespa Hook. Si G of Vespa Takas is responsible for bringing Amor Solo Moto over here. Thank you for all the support that you guys have given Scoot Daily Manila. We're never out loud in social media, but those ones who knew who is Scoot Daily Manila. So thank you for all your support. Again, we're looking forward to seeing you over here one of these days.
Hi, I'm JJ, Jay's partner sa Scoot Daily Manila. So this is my Vespa Primavera Mickey Mouse Edition. So, ayun, yung mga parts ng Mickey Mouse is mostly silver CNC, like Marus, mandrel na rims, and level 10 na crankcase. So, yun, I wanted kasi na yung parts mag-stand out din, bukod dun sa color nung scooter. And yun, mag-blend in din. So, bali, specially ordered yung mga parts. So, inantay talaga siya for a few months para yung color niya mag-blend din dun sa color ng scooter. And kahit mag-blend siya, standout pa rin. So, mostly yung concept niya is more of Indo. So, yung from the headlight, from the winkers, yun, and the seat, Indo talaga siya. So, kasi hindi ko talaga yung classic feel, but I like the classic look. Pero mas gusto ko yung modern na setup niya. So, yun.
Yung Vespa ko, it's a Vespa Sprint, it's a 2020 Vespa Sprint. Simple lang to. Yung color niya actually, it's one of the good things that I have dito sa motor ko, no. It was painted by Cool Garage Gerald. That was back in 2021. So, ang story nito, just to give you a little bit of a story, no? May bata kasi sa condo na naglalakad, tapos natalisod siya. Yung bike niya, tumama dun sa harapan. So, it was matte blue before eh. Tumama siya, nagasgas. Wala nang paint talaga. So, parang ako, na-stress ako ng konti. And I told, nakita ko actually si Gerald nagpo-post, pero mostly S125 yung ginagawa niya. So, I contacted him and said, baka pwedeng gawin mo to, and then I could refer a few customers and friends if okay naman yung gawa. So, luckily, yung gawa talaga ni Cool Garage Customs, it's really quality. This is 5 years old already, pero the paint still stands. Andyan pa din, wala naman siya, Ang maintenance ko lang dito is really wax lang. Hindi ko siya ceramic coating or anything, but it's really maintenance ng wax. So the other things that I have installed, yung levers ko, it's Brembo RCS for both left and right. Tapos may mga bar ends. Mostly, 101 factory now. It used to be Marus, pero because wala akong, wala akong pasensya kakaantay. Minsan may mga gusto na ikabit, but wala pa. So, nag-101 tayo para medyo mas complete. From the mags na P145, rear color, it's purple. Yung ibang accent niya mostly would be purple. May Brembo brakes din ako, which is colored red. One of the few Brembo brakes or calipers na meron tayo in the market. Pinakamahal na part dito sa motor ko would be yung emblem niya sa harap. It's Labubu. Sobrang mahal nito. Sobrang rare. Wala na kayong mabibili. I don't know kung may kilala kayo sa Thailand, but sobrang mahal niya. So, ayun. No, that's just a joke. Yun.
Tara, game! So ayun, nakita nyo ang Scoot Daily Manila. Ginabi na tayo, napatambay tayo saglit, tamang kwentuhan pa. So again, if you are near the area or kung gusto nyo dayuhin para sa mga specialties nila, you can go ahead and visit them directly dito sa Taguig. So Ususan yata ito sa may Scala Vista Estates, sa may Vista Mall lang. So napakalapit. So nabanggit nga nila yan na open naman yung tambay doon, ganyan. Pagka may pinagawa ka, sobrang komportable, lamig ng aircon nila. Saka masaya yung kwentuhan. So again, maraming salamat Scoot Daily Manila sa pagtanggap ng ating invite for this Vespa Shop series. Yun lang muna for this one. Again, maraming salamat sa inyong time. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, brother, pindutin mo na yung subscribe button natin. Until the next one, baboosh!